gaseous exchange. As you know, cells in living things produce adenosine triphosphate, or ATPs, from organic food and photosynthesis. All organisms need energy to perform various daily activities and growth. In this chapter, you will go through the mechanism of gaseous exchange in plants and humans. You will also study some respiratory disorders in humans. Breathing, gaseous exchange, and cellular respiration. Breathing is the process of taking air in and out of the lungs, which are the respiratory surfaces. Gaseous exchange involves the intake of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide at the lung surface. Oxygen moves into the blood, and carbon dioxide moves out of the blood. Cellular respiration is the process that releases energy from organic food. Cellular respiration is the process in which food is broken down by oxidation-reduction reactions, also known as redox reactions, and energy is stored and transformed in the form of ATPs. Oxygen is used, and carbon dioxide is produced during cellular respiration, which is then taken out of the cells and body through gaseous exchange. Respiration is used to explain the diffusion of respiratory gases from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Gaseous exchange in plants. All plants need exchange of gases for both respiration and photosynthesis. In contrast to animals, they have no organ system for gaseous exchange as that exists in most animals. Thus, each cell of a plant part carries out exchange of gases according to its need, which occurs only by diffusion. Gaseous exchange in lower plants, especially aquatic plants, takes place by diffusion across a wet body surface. While in higher land plants, it occurs through stomata and lenticels. The leaves and young stems have numerous pores known as stomata for exchange of gases as well as transpiration. Their inner cells, known as mesophyll, have large air spaces. These air spaces are directly involved in gaseous exchange. During the daytime, mesophyll cells are involved in both photosynthesis and respiration. During photosynthesis, plants get carbon dioxide from the air through stomata. The oxygen generated in photosynthesis is either used in cellular respiration or removed through stomata, while carbon dioxide produced during respiration is utilized for photosynthesis. However, at night, when photosynthesis is not taking place, the stomata of leaves and lenticels of stems get oxygen from the environment and remove carbon dioxide through the same openings. In higher or woody plants, the stem and roots are mostly covered by dead bark, which is impervious to both water and gases. Thus, these parts possess special pores for gaseous exchange known as lenticels. The young root cells exchange gases by diffusion through the general body surface from the surrounding moist soil. In young stems and leaves, some gaseous exchange also occurs through the cuticle, which is present over their epidermis. Mesophyll cells, located in the leaves of plants, play a crucial role in the process of respiration. These cells contain chloroplasts, which are the sites of photosynthesis. During respiration, mesophyll cells take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, facilitating the exchange of gases necessary for energy production. This process is vital for the plant's growth and survival. By understanding the role of mesophyll cells, we gain deeper insight into the complex and fascinating world of plant physiology. This concludes our exploration of gaseous exchange in plants. Thank you for watching.